Hello guys, welcome back to another video, Dash Autoworks. And today on Sabri's X5M we are installing FI exhaust cap back. So basically we got the stock exhaust out. As you can see, it's held on by two 13s here, two 13s there, some clamps or whatever rubber things. This clamps here, two E10s and two E10s here. So now, if you're ever wondering what a straight piped or no exhaust F85 sounds like, here's your chance. Sound like anything.
I think downpipes kill all the
Epic fail.
Those downpipes are super restricted.
Those downpipes are like fucking this.
Sounds deep though.
Okay guys, so far we got the mid pipe on, we got the two front sections on, just ready to get clamped down. So we're about to put the rear section on and then we can fire it up. The only thing left would be the valves. FI uses some vacuum lines and they don't retain the OEM factory flaps, so I'm not sure about that, but we'll figure it out. Hopefully this beast is gonna wake up so it can stop being quiet. This exhaust is pretty hyped up for this car, so we'll see how it sounds. I was pretty disappointed with the straight pipe startup, but we got the full FI catback installed on Sabri's car, so we're about to start it up.
Hell yeah. First start, let's see what she sounds like.
I don't know. This exhaust is pretty hyped up. See what it's about. Ready?
Ready? Go outside and give her the beans.
It's still cold.
Go rip it. Sounds good.
The question is, are you happy?
I like how it sounds.
Yeah, it's nice.
I mean, it's not as loud as your fucking M5.
I'm surprised it's not like crazy loud. I don't know. What do you guys think? Sabri's gonna give us a little rip. Turbos are spooling. I can hear the turbo spool. That's good. Ooh, sounds angry. All right, let's go. Full FI cap back. I think it sounds cool, but I hope he's happy because he was never in the middle of being too loud and being too quiet. So I think this is perfect, because it's pretty loud, but it's not quiet for sure. I don't know where he's coming from. Or is he coming from there? Oh, the turbo's full! We got the FI on the X5M. I think that Sabri's pretty happy with it. I think we were expecting a little bit more sound to come out of it, because you know FI exhaust is pretty hyped up. I think we were a little bit disappointed in that. But other than that, with his valve situation, he's not going to finish it in this video. He's going to figure out how to do the vacuum system and everything, because the FI doesn't use the OEM valve controllers. For example, like in the F90, you just plug in the valve controllers and then it works with the OEM valve system. But yeah, this is where we stand right now. So we're going to finish off this video, and then we have a few more videos coming out soon. So until the next one, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video. If your friends are interested in an FI exhaust for their X5M, I would give it a solid 7.5, 8. But I think the downpipes on this car is huge, that's why. But anyways, until the next video, we're out.